Oh boy, do I have a fun video for you today. The folks over at TwinFlame HQ might come down hard on me for this one, but I have a secret I just need to share. I'll be showing you one of the hidden features in the app, TwinFlame VR. Now, I can't show you exactly where to find this hidden gem, but I can do a little wink wink and let you know there may or may not be something super cool hidden in the Mega Chat feature. And by super cool, I may or may not mean something VR related. It might be in your best interest to poke around a little bit in there. Once you've wandered the depths of TwinFlame and discovered the VR Easter egg, you'll see a screen that looks like this, and you'll be able to tap somewhere on the screen to place the VR sun. Then bam, there she is. As you can see, I was just able to transform this ordinary bus stop into the home of the entire solar system. With all the planets spinning, it becomes kind of hypnotic. I'm always tempted to reach out and grab one of them. Or sometimes I just want to step on the sun and crush it, letting it know that I'm not to be messed with. But, of course, I'm just at a bus stop and can't actually do that. I find that enabling TwinFlame VR makes certain places look a lot more enticing. For example, maybe the creepy basement in your apartment building will be a bit more inviting with the planets around. Or maybe not. Maybe all it will ever be is a creepy basement, with or without the help of VR. Perhaps it's best to just stay clear of creepy basements and not ask any questions. Sometimes the best place to play around with this feature is your own bedroom. Though, if someone happened to come into your room and you were busy trying to avoid the planets spinning all around you that only actually exists on your phone, well, there might be some awkwardness there. That's probably an important note. If you are fooling around with TwinFlame VR, always be aware of your surroundings and always keep in mind how strange you might look to others if you're trying to grab onto planets that aren't there. Or if you're weird like me, trying to bite planets that aren't there. But I mean, really, it's like a conveyor belt that leads planets directly into your mouth, okay? Please don't judge me for doing this. So obviously, this feature is a ton of fun, and as long as you have TwinFlame, you have a whole solar system at your fingertips. But TwinFlame VR isn't the only Easter egg in the app. There's a super fun mini-game hidden somewhere. Only those who have traversed the TwinFlame landscape far and wide might happen to stumble upon it. And there also may be yet another Easter egg coming soon to a TwinFlame app near you. Well, that's all the top secret information I've got for you today. Good luck to those of you brave enough who now begin their search to unlock these surprises of TwinFlame. If you're like me, once you find the VR feature, you might be tempted just to use that whenever you're on the app. But don't forget about all the other cool features TwinFlame has to offer too. And, as always, thank you for using TwinFlame.